Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Suhana. So today me and my group mates will present about our business plan. The business that we choose is laundry and we name it as Miracle Bubbles. This is the table of content that we will present. First is introduction, following with the marketing plans, administration plans, operation plans, financial plans, and lastly is the conclusion. Firstly, I will present about the introduction of our business. First, we start with the executive summary. This business plan assignment is more focused on the managerial, marketing, administration, and also financial aspect on building a new company or opening a new business. This laundry is not only provide a service for washing, drying, and folding, but also dry clean and removing stains service. The plan is to open its first branch in Johor Bahru, Johor in 2022. The concept of this business starts from applying a definition where living is in a fast-paced world is a common thing nowadays. We want to focus not only toward people that need help once in a while with their laundries, but also for the career individuals such as businessmen and women, busy parents and disabled people that need extra help with their chores. Next, we move to the company background. The name of our laundry is Miracle Bubbles. The form of our business is a laundry service, and our key or main activity is dry cleans, ironing, folding, and also delivery services. I will also present about mission, vision, and motto of our business. The mission of our business laundry is we will provide a reliable, efficient, clean, and safe environment that will captivate our customers and serve the best services to our customers. While our vision is to open a more branch in 5 years and to be the most famous local laundry and can be expanded globally. And the motto of our business is believe in miracle. Miracle here is referring to the good services and that we provide to customers. Our services will bring a miracle to customers through their beautiful and clean clothes. After they use our service, their clothes will become clean like a new one. This is why we decided to give believe in miracle as our motto. To our business model canvas, our key partners is washing machines, cleaner and also maintenance, and delivery service providers. Our key activities is washing, drying or air drying and foldings. Our key resources is website and customers data. The value proposition is great laundry services, serve a delivery service, and also we use a good technologies. And customer relationship is we provide self-service and offers a great service to customer and always offers a discount. Our channels is by banners, website, flyers, and also business card. And our customer segment is families and people who did not have time to clean and fold their own clothes because of their daily career. So our cost structure is rent, taxes, labor expenses, which is payrolls, technology fees, and also content creations. And lastly, our revenue streams is with service sales. So I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you for the last presenter. Now I will continue to the marketing plan. So, according to the marketing is the activity, a set of installation and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. The aims of marketing is to generate revenue for a brand, company, or organization. Marketing professionals and teams achieve this through the execution of strategic digital activities that drive traffic, qualified leads, and sales in direct collaboration with their sales teams. So the marketing is important as it is the process of determining the needs and wants of consumers and be able to deliver products that satisfy those needs and wants. Marketing also includes all of the activities necessary to move a product from the producer to the consumer. So the marketing objective first is approachable full service laundry. So in Malaysia, there are a lot of laundry. However, most of them are self-service, which is customer need to do the laundry by themselves from the change of coin to the drying their clothes with machines. And second objective is recognition towards Malaysian society. So by marketing, we can market our service and brand towards the potential customer. By this, we be able to gain the fame and stable business as we always have incoming customer. To add on, we can expand our business by opening branches to each state in Malaysia. We also target to enter the Sabah and Sarawak market with different package that's suitable to the local norm. And the third objective is to promote cruelty-free product. So next, we also want to promote the quality products. This product that been launched in the market without being tested on animal. With this, we able not only to gain profit but also achieve and helping animal with this campaign as more people will know about this issue from our business. Okay, so for our business, there are three main services which are washing, drying, or drying and folding. Besides, we also provide additional services such as stain treatment, dry cleaning, and also ironing. To add on, we have pickup and delivery services. So how to take care for every type of fabric is by cotton wash in cold water, dry on low setting, and then remove moist damp to air dry. For polyester, we wash in cold and warm water with fabric softener and then we use the air dry. And for linens, wash in warm water on gentle cycle separate from other fabrics and light dry. And for wool clothes, we hand wash or place in a mesh bed to machine wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. For the spandex and silk, we turn garment inside out and place mesh bag, wash on gentle setting because this was to very not too much thickness. And for the silk, hand wash in cold water and then lay flat to dry. Okay, so our main service is washing, drying, and also hang off fold. So the benefits of washing in our miracle bubble is the right water temperature will ensure the longevity of the fabric. If customer do not feel satisfied with the cleanliness, they can ask us to wash them again. However, it also save money and less energy uses. It's also environmental friendly and also reducing wear and tear caused by the air dryer. Besides, we also have additional service which is stain treatment, ironing, or streaming, and also dry clean. So the benefits for stain treatment is it good for customer if they keep clean their clothes because it has benefits which is clean clothes with no stain and also long lasting for wear. Okay, next this is the our pricing list in Miracle Bubble. So our package is wash dry. If wash dry the normal clothes or thick fabrics like for example like jeans, sweater and also blankets, we include around 10 to 50 ringgit. So if the package for wash, dry and hang it's around 15 to 35 ringgit. And to the add-ons like the stain treatment, ironing or streaming dry cleaning, we take around 5 to 20 ringgit. For normal clothes or thick fabric, comforter or also curtain, we take around 10 to 20 ringgit. And for the dry clean, we take about 40 to 50 ringgit for suit set wedding clothes like kebaya, wedding gown, and also the leader and so on. Okay, next is the target market. So a target market is a group of people to whom business wishes to sell its goods and services. For our company, we establish a goal of being the greatest full service laundry in the market as well as being well known by many people in our outlet region and focus on expanding our brand through Malaysia. So first in geographic segmentation, market positioning and product sales are heavily influenced by geographic location. So geographic segmentation splits a target market by geography so that marketers can better serve local clients. And the business Miracle Bubble Laundry is based in Johor Bahru, a busy city where most people are always busy and rarely have free time to do the laundry. Second is volume purchase. So a volume purchase is a key segmentation of buying behaviors to understand so that the company may increase revenues. So the consumer buying behaviors refers to actions they take before purchasing a product or service, whether online or offline. So as a result, a survey can be conducted to determine the amount of purchases made by persons in Johor Bahru area. And last but not least is quality evaluation of distributor. So quality evaluation focus on the customer. The assessment focus on the surface component of demographic segmentation, which includes the gender, age, education, and income of the client. Okay, next is marketing strategy. So first is product strategy. Resorts of laundry are running like monthly or piece service that shop owner will do it. For example, like franchise or coin operated laundry. So for coin operated laundry is incredibly non-business nowadays as a result of its less quality to work and only little space is used well for community condominium and lodging. For pricing strategy, mm, um, price is the form of monetary value paid by the buyer to obtain the product or service. So pricing strategy is also one of Miracle Bubble main priority as Malaysian people's salary consists of three types, which is B40, M40, and T20. Furthermore, we also provide a discount day voucher which is every Thursday. So this provide to all types of service they want. However, the voucher can only redeem if you use 3 and above your service. Okay, third is place strategy. So, we choice of location is crucial for most brick and mortar business. Miracle Bubble is located in a suitable area that is on the side of the highway and also close to ATMs and supermarkets. They give customer the advantages to see our store and banner clearly. Not only that, we can also buy our wet goods quickly and can also save on car fuel. For promotional strategy, our promotion aims to stimulate demand for our company's merchandise or services. So promotional methods are designed to inform, persuade or inform the audience regarding the product. Some promotional strategy have been used to make Miracle Bubble known such as Instagram. So Instagram is a powerful platform where most people use in their daily life. Some ads can pop up in their screen and this give advantages to Miracle Bubble too. Okay, however, and besides that, we also use other alternatives to promote our laundry. For example, first is banner. So banners are likely signboard, but its road have different size. Business banners are located at near as Miracle Bubble or even far. It has the same objective as signboard, which is attract people, but this one from various locations. Okay, next we have a business card. So the motive for our business card are giving business information about a company or individual. The business card should include name, the company name, and also contact information, like I was mentioned in the business card. So the primary purpose of business card is to help people remember Miracle Bubble and to be able to contact us when they need it. And next, we also had the flyers, which is flyer also play an important role on promoting our products to the people. Because Miracle Bubble prefers a minimalist appearance yet informative and attractive to all people. Okay, last is marketing budget. As for the marketing, the assets are divided into two parts which are fixed asset and also monthly expenses. As the table below shows the detailed form of Miracle Bubble marketing budget, note that the license for all these advertising strategies are included in the administration budget, does not appear in the marketing budget. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Amiratika binti Abdul Kopa. And next, I'm going to present on the administration plan. There are 5 personnel in Miracle Bubbles Laundry Company. The personnel is General Manager, Administration Manager, Marketing Manager, Operation Manager, and lastly, Financial Manager. This is our organizational chart. So the first one is Nur Alina binti Azhar as a General Manager. She is tasked to supervise and manage all management actions in the business so that the corporation can achieve its principal vision, mission, and objective. Next is Siti Nur Asma binti Mazlan as Administration Manager. She is tasked to know the duties of each position and be accountable for keeping track of all corporate information. Next is Nur Uzma Wadia binti Muhammad Yusuf as a Marketing Manager. She is tasked to be in charge of Miracle Bubbles marketing department, also finding creative ways to boost Miracle Bubbles profit. Next is Amira Ain Sarina binti Muhammad Mahmud as a Operation Manager. She is tasked to assist with the creation or revision of standard operating procedures for all Miracle Bubbles operation. And lastly, myself, Nur Amir Atika binti Abdul Gopar as a Financial Manager. My task is to provide Miracle Bubbles reports, budget, accounts, commentary, and financial statements. Next is the schedule of remuneration. So for monthly salary, which is 12%, for General Manager is 2,164 ringgit, and for Administration, Marketing, Operation, and Financing Manager is 1,858 ringgit. And for EPF, which is 12%, for General Manager, will get 288 ringgit, while Administration, Marketing, Operation, and Financing Manager will get 200 ringgit. Next is for SOXO, which is 2%. The General Manager will get 48 ringgit, while the Administration, Marketing, Operation, and Financing Manager will get 42 ringgit. And the total, after adding up the monthly salary, EPF and SOXO, the General Manager will get 2,500, while the Administration, Marketing, Operation, and lastly Financing Manager will get 2,100 for the remuneration. And the total for all position is 10,900. Lastly is the administration budget. So for fixed asset, which is the land and building, costs 2,000. For furnitures and fitting machineries is for furnitures and fitting is 4,012 ringgit, and for machinery is 5,458 ringgit 79 cent. And the total for all these fixed asset will be 9,470 ringgit and 79 cents. Sorry. For monthly expenses, it is on salary or including SOXO and EPF. For General Manager, 2,500. For Administrator, Marketing, Operation, and Financial will be 2,100, and the total amount for the salary is 10,900. Next is for other expenses. First, for the other payments such as maintenance and renovation, will be for maintenance will be 500, and for renovation will be 2,500, and the total for this is 3,000. Next, for the other expenses is the pre-operation. First is for deposit, which is the utilities, will be 600, and for rent, it will be 3,000. And next is going to be registration and license. It will cost 1,500, and for license, for insurance, it will be also 1,500. And the total for the other expenses, which is for the pre-operation, registration, and license, also insurance, will be 6,600. And the total for all the administration budget will be 29,970 ringgit and 70 cent. That's all from me. I'm going to pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, Madam Suhana. My name is Siti Nur Asma binti Mazlan. I am the next presenter who will present about the operational plan. Okay, this is component in operational plan. The first one, we have business input, transformation process, output, feedback, and also external environment. Okay, next is operational objective, and this is our objective, which is the first one is to be more flexibility. It is to be able to react to the demands of customers is essential. For example, being able to vary the amount of goods or service produced to be in line with demand. Second is to be more innovative, which is we can set the research and development department innovation targets in technology market. And then lastly is to improve production, which is the quality of the product, either improving or maintaining the quality, like how long their products will last, or reduce number of complaints or returns customer. Okay, next is operational layout. Our group choose layout based on process. Okay, so this is our operations layout, which is the first one, we have washing station, which is we have 6 washing machine, but 4 for adults and 2 other for kids. And then we have office station. Office station is where we rest, or we pray, or we do some work here, which is for staff only. Okay, next is counter station. So this is the counter where we receive the order from customer, or we hand out the clothes for our customer. And then the entrance. And then here is iron or stream or fold station. So this is the place where we iron, stream, fold and hang our clothes. Next is stain station. And lastly, drying station, where we have 3 drying machine. Okay, next, business and operating hours. So our business hour is 14 hours per day, which is we start from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. And then operating hour, which is 14 hours per day, and we also start from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. And then working days, which is 6 days per week, which is we start from Saturday to Thursday, and then we close on Friday. Okay, next is the choice of location. So some factors that need to be considered for the choice of location, which is the first one is security, numerous communication lines, distance from raw material or supplier is close, access and transport, price of land or rental, and lastly, facility for expansion and business development. Okay, I guess that's all from me. Now I will move to the next presenter.
My name is Nur Elina binti Azhar, and I'm going to present about the financial plan. The thing that I'm going to present is, firstly, the operating budget, the project implementation cost and source of finance, the depreciation schedule, the cash flow and the income statement, the balance sheets, and last but not least, the ratio analysis. Firstly, for the admin budget. Admin budget or the administrative budget is a budget that is allocated mainly for the administrations to work smoothly. This is included the office and the machine supply, the salary for the general manager until the financial manager, the renovations, the license, the insurance, and also the road tax. The full total for the admin budget is 28,970 ringgit. Next is the marketing budget. The marketing budget is a budget that is allocated mainly for the purpose to marketing the Miracle Bubble laundry service. This is included the signboard, the banner, the business card, flyers, and also the advertisement. Other than that, there's also the fixed asset, which is the signboard, and the total for the marketing budget is 4,700. Next, for the operation budget. Operation budget is a budget that is allocated for the operations to work smoothly for the Miracle Bubble business. For example, this is included the machine such as washing machine, the dryer, and the dry clean machine, the vehicle, the purchases of material monthly, which is 1,768 ringgit, and also the overhead, which is the electric and the water that is being used. The total for the operation budget is 27,748 ringgit. Next is the project implementation cost and source of finance. For source of finance, all is majority or mainly is from the own contributions from the 5 shareholder that cost to 33,248 ringgit. The only external cost of source of finance is the hire purchase for our vehicle that accounted until 10,000 ringgit. Next is the depreciation schedule. The cost of the book value is 4,012 ringgit. The annual depreciation is 100 and the accumulated depreciation for 5 years is 500. Next, for the machine and equipment, the book value is 9,680 ringgit. However, for the annual depreciation is 150 ringgit. The accumulated depreciation for 5 years is 750, that leaving the book value for 8,950 ringgit. Next is for the signboard. For the signboard, the book value cost is 1,500. The annual depreciation is 100 and the accumulated depreciation for 5 years is 500. That leave the total book value for 1,000 for the 5 years, for the years 5. Next, for the vehicle, the cost or the book value is 14,000. The annual depreciation is 500 and the accumulated depreciation for 5 years is 2,500. So the end of the book value for the years or for the 5 years is 11,000. Next, for the cash flow statement, a cash flow statement show the cash flow and the cash inflow and the cash outflow for the company or for the organizations. And this is the cash flow statements for the next 3 years, including for the 12 months for the first year. And we can see here that the excess and deficit is all surplus for the next 3 years except for the second month for the first year, which is 3,300 deficit. Next is the income statement. Income statement is a financial statement that shows you the company income and also the expenditure. It also will show you whether a company is making profit or loss for a given period. So from here we can see that the Miracle Bubble Company for the next 3 years is making a profit. So we can see that for the first year they make a total of 90,000, for the second year total of 100,000, and for the 3 years, for the year 3 they make 87,000. Next is for the balance sheets. Balance sheet will show you the company assets such as fixed assets and also the current asset. It will also show you the owner's equity, the capital and the liability. The liability for the short-term period and also the long-term period. And from this we can see that the total equity and the liability is 600,000 and it increased the next year for 604,000 and finally it decreased to 602,000. For the total asset, it include the land and building, the furniture and fitting, the vehicle, machine, signboards, and also for the current asset, which is the raw materials and also the cash. Next, for the ratio analysis. Firstly, the current ratio. The current ratio is a liquidity ratio that measures a company's capability to pay a short-term the obligations or those that due within 1 year. And from here we can see that Miracle Bubble Company liquidity ratio is maintained for the next 3 years. Next is for the quick ratio. The quick ratio will able to measure the company capacity to pay its current liability also without needing to sell its any inventory or obtain any additional financing from other sources. And from here we can see that the Miracle Bubble is very able to pay for their liability, as the we can see that the graph is increased for the next 2 years. Next, for the return on equity. Return on equity is a measure of financial performance calculated that dividing the income by shareholder equity. From here, we can see that the return on equity for each shareholder is the same, which is 0.8 for the next 3 years.
Okay, we finally move to the conclusion. So in conclusion, Miracle Bubble is a business establishment that always want to give happiness to our customers. Our business can compete well with other similar business as well. Moreover, Miracle Bubble has made lots of efforts during the survey for the establishment of business and in terms of its financial projections. In connection with that, we are aiming to provide our service according to our customer wants, desire, and also needs. We are very confident and believe that our business venture will create and establish a very satisfactory investment return every year. Our business will continuously make a concentrate in the business strategies, especially in terms of marketing, to ensure that the business is widely known to the customers. And lastly, we also hope that we will be able to build a good loyal customer base in the future. Okay, I guess that's all from us. Thank you.